So today's video I will teach you how to adding, subtract, multiply, and divide. So in this example, if you need to calculate profit, so just press subtract cost. So press an equal, then click the price. Then you can see it's a B4. So what means B4? It's column B with the row 4. So it's B4. So you can find the keyboards with a subtract. Then click C4. So all your formula is already done. Just press button. Then you get a profit. So move your mouse on the right corners, just double click, then it's fill down all the profit. So what the profit percent? Just equal, click the profit, then press divide, press click price, enter. So here we double click, then change percentage. Now how to calculate adding? So it's just equals, click alt, you click the cells you need to adding, and plus G4. If you need more plus, just plus anything else we want, just enter. So click here with double click, then the amount with equals plus, then with this simple, then total equal, press here, double click, then discount mate is the amount plus this one, then this one was always here. So we need to equals, click here and click J1. So we need to J1 with enter the keyboard with F4. So here will be a dollar simple, $2 symbols. This means I will fill down always with this. So I need to change to the numbers. So when I click here, it's I6 times J1. This what means J1 when I fill down J1 not be J2 not be J3, it just J1. So what the meaning of this dollars simple? It's just to freeze sales. Okay, click here,